Hi everyone, my name is Wilson. I am a healthcare professional. I'm a physiotherapist. I was also an infection control link officer in my previous hospital. I make this video is because I realized that people around me, like my dad, my mom, or my friends, they all don't know how to use hand sanitizer. One. They buy a lot of hand sanitizer, but when I see how they use it, they all just simply rub, like that only. So this is a picture showing the frequently missed part when we wash our hands. You see the thumb there? Yeah, right. So if you don't clean thoroughly and properly, the virus and bacteria will still be on your hand one. So I'm going to show how to make your hand clean, like how other medical professionals do in the hospital. According to World Health Organization, there are actually 7 steps. So first, put hand sanitizer and spread through your palm, and then go to the back with finger crossing, and go to the back with finger crossing, front with finger crossing, and then interlock fingers, interlock the fingers, and then we go thumb, and we go fingertip. Ta-da! So the whole process actually takes about 20 to 30 seconds. And of course, if you can wash with soap, then wash with soap. If can't, share this to your family or friends. Since we are at home right now, very boring, cannot go out, you can actually make sure that your family knows how to wash their hands well. Ta-da!